Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a pop-up blocker for your Chrome. This can be done using some Chrome extension. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
To have a pop-up blocker, just type as Chrome Web Store. So after typing it, just search as Chrome Web Store. You just click on the first result that came on the here. It's like a Play Store in a Chrome Web Store. So you just type as pop-up blocker for Chrome. You just type as full. Don't type as just pop-up blocker. Just type as pop-up blocker for Chrome and click on the search option here. So this is like a Play Store. This is like a apps, and here it's called as extension for Chrome. You just click on the first result. You just note the pop-up blocker. It's installed more than a million of users, so just click add on the extension and the extension will be added here. Now if any website have any pop-up, the pop-up blocker will easily identify and block the pop-up option. So you can pin the extension here, or you can unpin the extension here. So this is so useful. I'm using this more than a year, and this pop-up blocker has many features. You can try it and it will reduce the pop-up advertisements on any website.
Friends, if you find this video useful, then click the like button and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button too, and stay tuned for my next valuable video. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique.